Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be recreating the Darude Sandstorm lead. If you don't know what the title of the song is, ask in the comments, someone will help you out. So I'm actually going to boost the volume. I'm going to be using one part. I'm going to go over to my oscillator section here. I'm going to go over to my oscillator 1. I'm going to be using a wavetable and then something called flux bin. I'm actually going to bring that down. No, I'm going to leave that for a sec. I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring the semitones. I'm going to bring it down 2 octaves, basically. And for the second oscillator, I'm going to be using a square wave. I'm going to turn the detune down. So with those two together, alright, so I'm almost there. I'm going to be going over to my effects section. I'm going to be setting some sort of distortion. Maybe not that one. Alright, should be close enough. Introduce my delay. That maybe. Nope. From there, I'm going to add some reverb. Alright, let's play a little bit of the track here. What song is that? Let me know. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. A little bit of processing, a little bit of something else, maybe a bit of noise. Anyway, that's the Darude Sandstorm lead. We learned stuff. I can't necessarily take credit from this. I found this on the internet. That this particular wavetable was a great starting point, and yeah, that was fun. Anyway, hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.